Marker?
You gotta hit the button, Charles.
Yep.
I'm Charles the Humble Mechanic, Master Certified Technician, Automotive Instructor, and Professional Internet Slacker.
I'm Rich Rebuilds, the Rogue Mechanic. I specialize in EVs. I've been taking cars apart for the last 15 years.
Marker.
Let's do it.
So this is our rideshare car, and looking at a rideshare vehicle, I'll tell you right now, this one is in a lot better shape than our commuter car was.
Yeah, you know, that's the thing. Just because it's rideshare or it's got a ton of miles on it, you may not notice anything different by the outside. However, I think there's some important like wear and tear items that maybe, you know, if it's just me and my car, you're going to see one set of wear. This is, you're going to see a lot of stop and go traffic, most likely, maybe a lot of idle time. And the big one, I'm thinking,
Door
the
handles.
opening and closing.
Nice slide, by the way. That was a nice slide.
Thank you. I've been working on it all day.
So you want to play a fun game?
I want to play a fun game.
I think we should play the game of find the 12-volt battery.
Is it in the glove box?
We'll see.
Okay. Where is the vehicle battery? Where is the hood release?
Got it. Nice.
All right, so instantly, after opening this hood,
Yeah.
this looks quite a bit different than maybe your standard just gas-powered engine compartment. What do we got going on here, man?
So we actually have a lot going on here. On a standard car, you'll see maybe just an engine sitting in the middle, and you'll see probably like a 12-volt battery probably around here on this side or on the left-hand passenger side. But the thing is, with this, it's a little bit different. So on this side, we have the actual electric motor, and on this side, we have the gas-powered 4-cylinder engine on this side.
Yeah, I'm noticing dipstick, all the same normal 4-cylinder gas-powered engine stuff that we have.
Right.
So no 12-volt battery.
No 12-volt
under the
battery
hood.
up front. And it brings to another good point is that a lot of people ask, what are the things that I shouldn't touch under the hood?
Bingo.
And under the hood, for the most part, there's a lot of things you probably shouldn't touch, but a hybrid is a very obvious sign of that, is anything that's coated in orange. Those are the high voltage wires.
We have not found the 12-volt battery yet. So what do you think? Under the seat or in the trunk?
I would think, due to the space in this car, I think it's in the trunk. I think it's too big to fit under the driver's seat. I think it's in the back.
I think we can both agree it's definitely not in the glove box.
No, I don't think it is either.
All right, you want to grab that latch and let's go check it out.
Let's figure that out.
Fingers.
Drum roll, please.
I think you were right.
Yep.
You win the award for Outstanding Achievement in the Field of Excellence because we have our regular 12-volt
battery
vehicle
there.
battery right there. I think it's time to take this guy for a drive.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, Rich, we are behind the wheel of our rideshare car.
Absolutely, this is it.
This is it indeed. Let's talk dash lights.
Let's talk dash lights, baby. So here's the thing, is that on a rideshare car, you want to make sure that there's really no problems that could arise while you're in the car with an actual passenger.
Most ride shares I've been in have had some kind of warning
Right.
on the dash. And I thankfully know a bit about warning lights. What are some things that we worry about?
Right.
And what are some things that maybe we can just not, put off to the weekend or something?
One of the things that are generally okay if you have a yellow light.
Okay.
For example, the tire pressure light's yellow. That's not typically a big deal to address immediately while you're driving, but definitely the next time you stop the car to check your tire pressures. Things start getting really crazy when things start either flashing or they're red.
Yep.
For example, the battery light's usually red because the battery is arguably one of the most important components of the vehicle.
You want to drive?
1,
Okay.
2,
3.
go.
Rich, I get emails and messages all the time from people looking to save some money on their car.
Okay.
And I agree.
Rightfully so.
Like, I like to save money on my car
Who
too.
doesn't?
But there's some places you can definitely skimp and save, and there's some places that I don't think it's a really good idea.
Yes, absolutely not. I think you might be able to save money here and there on certain accessories for the car, but one place you can't skimp out, the battery.
And the more technology the car has, the more that becomes true. That is literally the heart and soul of the electrical system, and without the electrical system,
You're not really getting very far.
going anywhere. The way I look at it is there's a difference between like your air conditioning not working really well,
Right.
which isn't awesome, or your radio not working really well,
Right.
which isn't awesome, and being stuck and not being able to get home from work or having to jumpstart your car, rely on someone else to bail you out of a bad situation.
Yep, especially in a ride-sharing car. If you're actually sharing the car with someone else, and they're relying on you to get to their destination, and your car breaks down because you wanted to save, I don't know, a couple bucks on a battery, that's kind of what happens.
And it's also too important, make sure that you're getting the right battery.
Yes.
If it's a battery like this one, the absorbed glass mat battery, put that in. If it's a regular flooded lead acid battery, use that.
But my question is, how do you know what battery you need?
I have a great solution.
Go ahead.
Bum, 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 bum,
What's the music for? Oh my gosh!
It's the owner's book.
I love it.
Basically, the instruction manual to your car. Let's be honest. Most
No one
people
really
don't
reads that
I
thing.
didn't read mine.
But it's in your glove box. Just look
Yeah.
for it. It's free. Just open it. It's like a bonus to having your car.
And if you're rich, you have 17 gloves in your glove box.
Right.
I have
exactly.
none. Rich, we have a battery.
Yes, we do.
Despite looking like a normal standard battery, there's something special about this one.
What is it?
What is it indeed? It is an absorbed glass mat battery.
AGM.
AGM. What's different about this than a plain old battery?
I think with this battery, as opposed to like a standard flooded battery, as they call it, this one actually has twice the capacity of a standard battery, and it's meant for vehicles that need higher power requirements, like ones that have dash cameras, for example, or remote starting systems, and just vehicles that require a little bit more out of a standard battery.
I'm thinking probably the biggest one would be a car with start-stop. The car has to be able to stop and start every single time.
Multiple
We
times.
go from maybe 4 times a day starting our car
Yep.
to 30
30 or 40.
on a trip.
Right.
And it has to be able to have that extra storage capacity, charge faster so that it can continue to do all those great things cars with start-stop systems do.
Here's my question for you. How do I know what kind of battery my car needs?
That is a magic question. And of course, the answer is read your owner's manual.
I should have.
You thought you were going to trick me, but not today, Rich.
Almost gotcha.
But really, though, there's so much information in your vehicle owner's manual. It should tell you what kind of battery you need, the size, the DIN rating, the capacity, whatever it is, that information should be in there. And you know, it's not a bad idea on regular services. Have your battery tested. If you're taking your car in for normal maintenance,
Yep.
have them go ahead and check the battery so that you avoid having a problem.
Down the road.
Replacing a battery when it's part of maintenance is way easier than getting stuck
This side of the road.
in a parking lot or something like that. So have it tested as normal maintenance. If you're not sure what kind, what do you got to do?
What was
He
it?
forgets every time.
Read the owner's manual?
Read the owner's manual.
Nailed it.